helicopter is coming! Elsa looks so beautiful. We need help, now!
Stop!
Wait, what's wrong with you?
Help us, please!
Don't worry. Let me help you.
Let's go!
Welcome to Dolly's spa!
Wow!
I want to go first.
Me too.
Stop!
First, pick a color you like.
Let go.
Hey! Hey!
Hey, hey! Ha! 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 Woohoo!
Rumi.
Rumi got rainbow.
Mira.
And Mira got black.
No. Yes!
Wow, room number 1 is the skincare room.
Hey, hey! Let's go!
Good.
Get out!
Let's get started.
Yeah!
Eye patches. Eye mask. Lip mask.
Wow, I'm feeling so relaxed.
Wow!
Now let's apply a face mask.
It's all done. Awesome. Oh, wow. This is a makeup room.
Aha! Oh, wow!
I feel so pretty! Rumi finishes her skincare and makeup. What do you think? Don't forget to like and comment.
Next, you need to change clothes.
Okay.
I'm done hiding now, I'm shining like I'm born to be. Dreaming loud, I strum my heart on this melody. Every step I take, I find my way. Chasing stars that never fade away. We rise above, no fear, no gravity. The light inside, it's breaking free. Hold my hand, we'll touch the sky. Stars will never die. We dreaming hard, I believe. Hands up high, feel the fire, let it breathe. This is our time, we're born to be forever bold, forever free. Born to
look stunning. I want to be like you.
It's your turn, Mira. Let's go.
Let's go!
Good.
No, 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 no.
I want to go get my hair done. Okay.
Let's go! Yeah!
Choose the hairstyle you want.
I want my signature hairstyle.
Okay.
Hit like if you love my new look. Thanks a lot.
Let's go change our clothes.
I'm sick of lying here all alone and nearly sleepless at night. I'm honest, it's boring. 1,000,000 demons surrounding me, picking a fight. It's toxic. You were the best
No, no, no,
I
no,
ever
no.
had, but every second you were screwing me over, and now I'm done with it. I guess that there was no surprise. Deleting you out of my mind. Isn't it iconic? Standing on the front line, steady going forward without knowing the direction. I need to be honest.
Let's go!
For the better. The good days, but good wasn't the only perspective of all the days that we had. We lost it. You were the best I ever had, but every second you were screwing me over, and now I'm done with it. I guess that there was no surprise. Deleting you out of my mind. Isn't it iconic? Standing on the front line, steady going forward without knowing the direction. I need to be honest. It was for the better. Now every day is perfect for a lifelong celebration.